Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring power and proximity because low battery or distance often blocks pairing. Open settings and toggle Bluetooth off, count to 5, then toggle it back on so radios reset. Make your accessory discoverable now. Press the device's pairing button or hold its power until the LED blinks. Once done, confirm airplane mode is off and Wi-Fi interference is minimized by moving away from routers. These quick resets clear transient software states and let you see the device in the pairing list. You now select the accessory in the Bluetooth list and accept any pairing confirmation. Matching PINs or codes ensure secure links. If pairing fails, make the phone or computer forget the device and restart the accessory, then attempt pairing again to remove stale profiles. On a computer, check the Bluetooth driver and run updates because outdated drivers break protocols. Once paired, configure audio or data profiles in the device's settings to make sure the correct service is active. This fixes situations where you finish by testing the intended use, play audio, make a call or transfer a file, and confirm the correct profile is selected. If problems persist, reset network settings on your phone or uninstall and reinstall the Bluetooth adapter on a computer. As a last resort, factory reset the accessory to clear firmware glitches. Make sure to reboot both ends after changes. If it still fails, test the accessory with a second device to isolate whether the accessory or your primary device is at fault. This single test saves time diagnosing the issue.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.